Hello friends, it's winter time and nothing is better in the evening of winter, a hot bowl of soup. So today I'm sharing with you my favorite, it's tomato soup, and I have added some more vegetables to enhance the color as well as the taste, and it is healthy, very nutritious and very quick to prepare. So let's check what we need for this heart-warming bowl of soup. So we are going to start with heating up 1 teaspoon of oil. When oil is hot, we are going to add chopped onions. This is about 1/4 cup of chopped onions, green chilies as per your taste, and a few cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger, 2 medium carrots chopped, and 1/4 cup of beetroot roughly chopped. We are going to stir this for about few minutes until the onions are slightly soft. Now here I have took 4 tomatoes that I have roughly chopped. I'm going to add that and mix everything well, and with that goes 2 cups of water and teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to cover the lid and pressure cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles. You can also do it in a regular pan. Just cook until the vegetables are soft. So after 2-3 whistles, I'm going to check the carrots if they are soft, and yeah, they are really soft, so it's done. Now I'm going to blend this into a puree, and look, beautiful color it is because of the beetroot. Now I'm going to strain this mixture out so that I get nice smooth pulp without any seeds or any peels like tomato peels. So as you can see, the tomato peels and seeds are remaining, so I'm going to discard this, and now we have a smooth puree. Now heat 1/4 tablespoon of butter in a pot. This is absolutely optional, but you wanted to add a little bit of garlic and chili paste so that it's nice garlic flavor. Saute until the raw flavor goes away and then add puree. This is very healthy and extremely easy to prepare. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water. I'm using the same bowl. I don't want anything to go waste. Now to this I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and then about 2 teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. So now stir this really well, bring it to boil, and when it comes to boil, it's ready to be served. So I'm going to take it out in a bowl and garnished with fresh cream and black pepper, and I'm going to ready to enjoy this warm soup. It is really heartwarming and very refreshing and very fulfilling and also very healthy. So try this recipe of tomato soup today and let me know in the comment box below how do you like it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.